day, Grade 2. Welcome to our discussion for Mathematics 2, the reading and writing of numbers. How are we going to read and write numbers? We can read and write numbers with the help of the place value. In our previous lesson, we said that the place value are the thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. You already know how to read numbers, so now let us know how to write the numbers. But before that, let us know first the spelling of some numbers. First is this one. Can you identify this number? This is number 1. So how are we going to write number 1 in words? This is the spelling of 1. We have O-N-E. 1. Again, the spelling of 1 is O-N-E. Next one, we have number 2. And the spelling of 2 is T-W-O. Next one, we have 3. And the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E. Next, we have 4. And the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. Next one, we have the number 5. And we spell 5 as F-I-V-E. Another one, we have the number 6. And the spelling of 6 is S-I-X. Next, we have number 7. And the spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N. Another one is number 8. And the spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T. Next one, number 9. And the spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E. Another one, number 10. The spelling of number 10 is T-E-N. That is how we spell 1 to 10. You have to remember the spelling. Another one, we have number 11. And the spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N. Next, 12, we have the T-W-E-L-V-E. And next one, we have number 13. And the spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Next, we have the number 14. And the spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. And the next one, we have the number 15. And the spelling of number 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Next, number 16. And the spelling of number 16 is S-I-X-T-E-E-N. And number 17, the spelling of number 17 is S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. Another one, number 18. And the spelling of number 18 is E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Another one is number 19. And the spelling of 19 is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Another one is number 20. And the spelling of number 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y. Next, we have the number 30. And the spelling of 30 is Thirty. Next, we have number 40, and the spelling of 40 is Forty. Next one, number 50, and the spelling of number 50 is Fifty. Next, we have the number 60, and the spelling of number 60 is Sixty. Next spelling of number 70 is Seventy. Next, we have number 80. We have the Eightty. Next one, 90. Ninety. And next, we have the 100, and the spelling of 100 is Onenhundred. That is how we write numbers in words. Those are just a simple words. Now, let's start to write numbers in words using the place value. And we can use a bigger numbers. In the first one, and we have here 9 and 8. We read this as 98. Now, let's try to put 98 on its place value. The place value of 8 is ones. Very good. And the place value of 9 is tens. Okay. Now, let's try to find out its value so we can write number in word easily. So let's start to find the value of 8. 8 is in the ones, so the value of 8 in 98 is also 8. There are 9 in 10, so the value of 9 in 98 is 90. So as we read the value of 9, we read it as 90. So let's write 90 in words. We spell 90 as Ninety. And have the value of 8 is 8. So we are just going to write 8 in words. So the spelling of 8 is Eight. So this is how we write 98 in words. Another one, we have the 375. So we read this as 375. So let's start to find its place value. So the place value of 5 is ones, the place value of 7 is tens, and the place value of 3 is 100. Now, we know the place value. Let us know the value of each number. The value of 5 in 375 is also a 5. And the value of 7 in 375 is 70. And the value of 3 in 375 is 300. Now that we know the value, let us write 375 in words. So look at the value of number. We read the value of 3 as 300, the value of 7 as 70, and the value of 1 as 5. We use the value to write the numbers in words. Look at the 3. We read this as 300. So let us spell first the 3, and the spelling of 3 is Three, and we write the hundreds. So there. Another one, we have the 70. We spell 70 as Seventy. And the last one, we have the number 5. We write 5 in words, and the spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E. 375. So that's how we write 375 in words. Another one is we have here 1832. Let's put it in its place value. So the place value of 2 is 1, the place value of 10 is 3, the place value of 8 is 100, and the place value of 1 is thousands. So let's now find its value. The value of 2 is also 2. The value of 3 is 30. The value of 8 is 800. And the value of 1 is 1000. As we read the value, we have their 1000, we have their 800, we have their 30, and we have their 2. So using the value, let us all write 1832 in words. So let's start with the higher place value, which is the thousands. Okay, write 1000 in words. So we write 1 and then the place value, which is 1000. Next is the 100. We have their 800. So let's start to write 8 and then write the place value, which is 100. Another one, we have their 30. So we write 30. And the last one, we have their 2. So we are going to write 2. So this is how we write 1832 in words. Now we know how to write numbers in words. Let us try to write the words in numerals. Again, a while ago we write the number in words. Now we are going to write the words into numerals or numbers. Okay, let's try. We have here 67. We read this as 67. For us to write 67 in numerals, we have to write it word by words. For example, we have there 60. So let us first write 60. We write 60 in numerals as 60 plus, let's write this 7. We write 7 as like this, 7. So when we combine 60 and 7, we have 6 first, and the 7, we have the 67. So this is how we write 67 in numerals. Another one, we have here 251. Okay, we have there 251. Okay, let's read this. 251. Let's write this in numerals. Okay, first we have to write 200. We write 200 as 200 plus 50. We write 50 as 50 plus the last one, we have the 1, and we write 1 as 1. So if we combine these numbers, we will have 251. And we read this as 251. Another one is we have here 1,525. Okay, let's write 1,525 into numerals. Let's start with 1,000. Okay, let's try to write 1,000 in numeral. Let's start with 1,000. And we write 1,000 as 1 0, 0, 0 plus, let's write 500 in numerals, and we write 500 as 500 plus, we have the 20, so we write 20 as 20 plus, we have the 5, so we write 5 as 5. So if we combine this number, we will come up with 1, 5, 2, 5. And we read this as 1525. That is how we write 1525 in numerals. I hope you learned how to read and write numbers. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next time.